Welcome to my Yoga Khazana series. Here I give you verified authentic solutions for health, wellness and yogic lifestyle. Today I demonstrate TRATAK by candle or lamp gazing. Place candle or lamp on a table exactly at eye level. Ensure flame remains steady. Sit in comfortable meditative asana with head and spine erect. Close eyes, relax whole body, especially the eyes. Open eyes and start gazing steadily at the flame. Try not to blink or move eyeballs. Awareness should completely be centered on the flame, that body awareness is lost. After a minute or two, when eyes become too tired or begin to water, close them gently. Gaze after image of flame with eyes closed. If image fades, then bring it back till no longer retained. Gently open eyes and gaze at the flame. Continue in this way 3 to 4 times. End session by doing palming couple of times. This practice makes eyes very clear and bright, develops concentration, activates ajna chakra and is excellent preparation for meditation.